What's up, guys? Well, here's an update on all the babies. So, up first here, we got Beast Mode's kids. Now, don't know how you guys are going to be able to see this, but these guys were the first to get the 2024 rings. So, getting nice and big. Alright. So then we got Captain's one lone kid here. As you can see, it was the third bird run for 2024. Watch out, little dude. There you go. So, moving on. Then we got Harley Quinn. Calm down, mama. Yeah, her two babies. These guys should be getting rings tomorrow or the next day, probably Friday. I'm just waiting a little bit. The first ring that I put on Captain's kid fell off and got lost, so don't want that to happen again. I'm just going to wait till they're a little bit bigger. Alright. Here we got Penguin's girlfriend. And her two babies. Alright, who we got next? Let's see here. And we got Mama Grizzle in the bucket. I think she's a good looking bird. Sorry, the lighting kind of sucks in here, but it's also... Chill out, just get a look at your kids. She got one baby. And... I have to check this egg, but I don't think it's any good. But, there, we'll take one, if that's the case. That one, she's actually biting me. I'll leave you alone, don't worry. You're alright. So moving on. And we got Skelly, my favorite hen. Now, this particular bird, she's actually my YouTube profile picture. If she sits in a certain way, she actually throws the outline of a skull on her feathers, so hence how she got the name Skelly. Let's see what she's got going on. Alright, Mama, jump out. Two little baby Morris Gordons. These guys are tiny, but the parents are small, so I'm expecting the babies to be kind of little. Alright, go back to your kids. Now, I haven't checked these guys. This is Crank's girlfriend, and she was actually the last bird to lay eggs. So let's see if there's anything going on under here. She's pissed. Nothing yet. No pips or nothing, but she's still got a couple more days. Alright. Give you a little bit of an overview of everybody hanging out. We got Beast Mode, the big red guy. Underneath him, that's Crank. No, that's Rocket. Crank's dead. Underneath him is Penguin. You can tell him apart because he's got those 3 white spots on his back end. And up there we got my little mealy guy. His girlfriend sitting in the box. And these two. Now, when it comes to my special pairings, they also, their eggs have also hatched. Only got one young bird off of each one of them. So one of the eggs wasn't fertile on one, and it looks like the other one died in the egg. I just checked on it, I think it was earlier today, and the egg had already pipped. So I'm assuming the egg was cracked or something. Calm down, guys. You'll be okay. I'll be out of your way in a minute. So it looked like the egg had already pipped. So I'm assuming that somehow the egg got cracked and the baby just didn't go to full term or develop fully. So that's a bummer. But I do have one young off of each one of my surprises or special pairings. So I'm really excited about that. Today is officially Thursday. It's about 12:30 in the morning, and Friday is cleaning day. So we got our hands full here with all this weather out here in Kentucky. It's been below freezing for the past week, but I keep these guys on 24-hour light, so they also have a heater to keep them warm, because I just didn't want their eggs to start freezing on their hatch week. So it seemed like it worked out okay. Didn't lose too many eggs. But like I said, there's my boy Crank right there on the wall. Just another quick overview. There's Beast Mode and his girlfriend. I can't wait to see these little guys they put out when they get older. Man, I don't know. Those little guys look like they're going to be red to you. Only time will tell. But there's just a little update on my birds. And like I said, I got those two special pairs. They did put out one baby so far each. And potentially this weekend I might make you guys a video and let you guys see what I got over there. Alright guys, I'm out.